this is Ocelot Dog Paper.
You gotta speak up, dude, and they'll never hear you.
Hello, this is Ocelot Dog Paper here today on another episode of Adventures of Cat Pirate on the Unsubmitted Let's Play. And if you didn't see the last episode, as we signed out, Piratepappapaul hit me with bread, so now I'm sad.
Well, eat some. It's not gonna hurt you. You got a helmet on.
I'm not hungry.
Oh, not me either. I'll put it away till later. Alright, where are we going?
To a giant pillar of stone.
Alright, so back the way we came, which was toward the monument, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Oh, it's this way, right? It's over the... Don't go down now. Hey. I'm with you. No, you should be able to get back. I left it open. I left it. You can just slide right back. In case we ever get stuck down below again.
Which is probably not going to happen.
I hope not. But now we have a way back. Shouldn't happen the first time. Still did. I'll let you pass me. You're faster. Off you go.
I have a way that you can repay me by hitting me with the bread.
Hit you with more bread?
No, making me an awesome hat for later.
Okay.
Which we were already planning on that, so it's not really a big favor, but I really like awesome hats.
Alright, big diamond awesome hat?
Not yet, but you can do it whenever you want to.
Okay.
But be nice. Remember the big roller coaster tumble that we have to do to get there?
Oh, that's right. Because we didn't make our way back, did we?
No, all we did was fall.
We just jumped off. We took a shortcut.
That's what we call a shortcut.
Yep.
What we call a shortcut. Took the shortcut by falling and dying. Apparently, if you're playing this, it's a good idea to build a bridge over to the heads because you get really cool stuff. You even get spawn eggs.
Oh, for crying out loud. Don't fall off the island.
Hey!
Don't fall off the island.
I didn't fall off the
Not
island.
you, me.
I'm already at the head.
I almost fell off.
I'm waving at the white.
I can't look at you or I will fall and die.
Now you can look at me.
No, I have to concentrate. I can see you out of the corner of my... Am I going... I have to go off the other bridge, don't I?
Yeah, you have to go on the white one.
It doesn't look white at night. It looks kind of gray. It looks like stone.
The white one at night looks like stone.
Oh, watch out, Jake.
I almost fell off the head. Eventually, I want to head over to that epically mountain lava.
I think we should save that till we have a little more experience. I'm betting that's not easy.
Said eventually?
Yeah, eventually, much later. Alright, here I come.
Surely not, Evan. Eventually, we gotta visit all of these.
I missed! Oh!
That's why you had to sprint, Joe!
I did sprint, but I aimed wrong. Darn it.
Sad.
Why don't you start doing what... Do you have anything to build with, or you just ran off? Without preparing?
I ran off without
preparing. So now I have to go all the way to you.
Yes.
There you go, dude.
Thank you.
You're the one who gets to sit there twiddling your thumbs while I make my way over to you.
Ain't that great?
Not really. That's kind of boring.
I'm just gonna have fun in this head.
Alright. I'll come by and close it up and move on without you.
Don't go without me.
I once again have not set a timer.
I miss home, Dad.
Give me a minute. I'm coming.
We're on a big adventure. I want to go back to my happier town where I get to go to school. And it's always fun. And I have a baked potato every day. And creepers don't come and try to kill us on a big island floating.
This island has seen a lot of that.
Clearly.
Look of things.
Probably why I said that.
It's alright, you got rid of the zombie at the same time, so that's good. Bye, zombie.
There are a bunch of creepers on the other head.
Uh-huh. Might as well let up.
I wish I had a bow and arrow right now.
I'm almost there if I don't die. I'll have to run off this one again, too.
The cat stands alone. The cat stands alone. You just landed on the zombie.
And he's trying to push me off the island. Get off! Sure.
The cat stands alone. The cat stands alone.
Excuse me, Piggy.
I hold the stereo. The cat stands alone.
Well,
Skeleton on the bridge. Skeleton on the bridge. I hold the stereo. Skeletons on the bridge.
For the shot, huh?
Go ahead.
Alright. I think I should be a little higher. Boom.
Oh!
Bye-bye. Shot number 1.
Nice!
I'm sorry I wasted another shot. But I got rid of him.
All that matters is that you killed him. That's the
Off he went. Alright, so I'll get to the end this time, then back up and
wow.
And sprint.
I'm looking at the camera, and the white wool on the camera looks like water. Or blue wool. It does. You gotta see.
You
gotta see.
I gotta focus, remember? Alright. Oh, wow, there's a whole bunch of even an Enderman.
Go.
Oh, jeez, I didn't think I was gonna make it. I did not sprint as well as I wanted. Alright, hang on. 1 moment, please.
Help.
Let's try.
I don't want to blow up the guy's head.
I don't either. I want to knock him off.
One down.
You got the spider's attention, unfortunately.
Oh, missing.
Oh.
two mobs just randomly walked out.
I see you coming. I can't believe I'm missing that. Yeah, if you want to run and get him, feel free.
Well, I don't want to get shot.
By me? Yeah, that would suck. Go ahead. I'll wait.
I got the attention of a creeper! You're on your own, pal.
2 more off.
You're on your own, pal.
Gotcha.
You're on your own, pal. I'm coming.
Oh, I have 1 left. I'm doing really well.
I'm coming.
Alright. Got them all. I got them all. I got them all. I have a torch. I'm going to leave it.
I got 1.
I mean, everyone that was left.
That's the essence of the guys I killed.
There were like 4 creepers and you got the zombies. I got 4 creepers.
I don't think you killed the Enderman.
No, the Enderman
just ran
left.
away.
The Enderman just left. He doesn't stay.
He doesn't stay when you try to kill him with
No.
You're gonna light up the guy's head.
Yeah.
You're gonna light up the guy's head.
Yeah, I am. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, come on. What's wrong with all these creeps?
Oh, hit him. Hit him. Get him off. Oh, dude. It's alright. I will start building while you find your way. Where am I going? That big pile
You're
over
heading
there?
to the big, giant, wide pillar of stone. I'm interested.
Alright, I am gonna...
No! I don't want to blow up the island because there's a creeper.
We'll run across it. Just keep going. Don't stop. I just repaired that island. Dumb creepers. What we were calling Creeper Explodey Island because they kept blowing it up. We really got to light that island up. It's a thoroughfare. We go through there a lot.
That is
La
la la la la. Why are there creepers everywhere here? We don't want to blow. We don't want to blow up the island.
In dark.
But.
Is he waiting for you right at the end there?
There's a bunch of creepers.
Smack him off. Nicely done.
He didn't even explode.
Oh, watch out. Don't let him knock you off. Get him. Out of there.
Hashtag spider killer.
Oh, looks like I have to get to this island first. You know, you should really collect something. You should have collected something, chopped the tree down or something. We need more material.
Oh no. Oops. It's becoming sunrise.
Good. I'm going to have some things here I'd rather went away. I'm not looking at you. I'm not looking at you.
Yeah, but it's still mad.
I'm not looking at you.
Why is it not teleporting?
I'm gonna do a teleport shot. Go away. Thank you.
Teleport shot. Please don't get knocked off by the Enderman if you teleport to kill you.
He doesn't appear to us, thankfully. I'm just trying to get these guys to push each other off.
Woo!
Push yourself off. Come on. You know you want to. Well, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh,
I can do that here, too.
I have a couple wool that I could use. Currently doing your crouched down.
Bye.
Hi.
Hi, you made it back.
I did.
I only have 2 blocks left. Hang on. I may have more in my hand, but I have to look.
I have a couple more blocks.
I think I have some in my... Yes, I do.
I don't want to enter inside you, but I really want to.
I'm good. Hang on. I'm almost there. I'm going to do one more just for safety.
That is not stone. That is bedrock.
Ooh, that's interesting.
That is bedrock. Why don't we chop down these birch trees?
I was just thinking that. There's trees here. There's a handy. I don't want the hole. I want my axe. Where's my axe?
I have my axe.
I don't see my axe. Where's my axe? Am I being blind? I don't see it.
No, it's not there. I have an axe.
So chop away, my friend.
I'm gonna chop away.
That makes some blocks you can do the building.
I just want to hand them over to you.
I'm gonna clear this so we can plant some more trees here. So over here from west side.
I'll hand you these birch
blocks, birch planks.
I'm right behind you.
Okay. Has anything dropped yet for replanting this tree?
I don't think so. You got the birch planks though. No, that was me throwing you birch planks. What is there a giant pillar of bedrock doing there?
Apparently they don't want us to mess with it.
Are you sure that... Do you think that would have wool on it?
I got one. There's one.
Do you think that there's wool on that?
Could be. Could be something to get through another challenge that's coming. I don't know.
Hopefully we don't have to kill the Ender Dragon.
Seeing as we've never actually done that before, that might be a bit challenging.
I don't think we're prepared yet either.
No, we're certainly not.
We need diamond stuff.
Diamond stuff.
All we have is a diamond pickaxe.
A lot of
Well, we actually have to have a diamond enchantment stuff.
arrows.
You need diamond enchanted stuff, really.
That would be handy.
No, you need diamond enchantment. Otherwise, you are certainly going to die.
Certainly going to die.
Yeah, it's
I don't really. Alright, I've only started replanted one. Alright, am I building? Where am I going? Where is it? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. Alright. Crouch mode. I like a good place. I like a good place.
Get away. Get away.
Alright, here we
The
go.
bedrock looks like blue stuff, too.
Oh, you're not looking at the bedrock. Or were you?
At the camera. Because the camera's looking at the bedrock, because I'm looking at the bedrock.
Alright, how am I doing?
Good. Keep going. Tell you when you want a staircase. Well, you could nerd pole up and then
Should I stir up a bit?
Yeah, you could start.
But that's light.
I think one more stair step would be enough.
Alright, I'll just continue back for a while and see where we're at then.
Oh, wow, that's a lot of water. There's a sign there that I'm going to read.
Alright, here it comes.
Well, I haven't...
Am I good at height or should I go up a little?
You can jump that.
I totally can. Boop. I'm going to stay in couch mode for the moment, though. You're just going to swim across, aren't you? Swim, swim, swim. Go tell me what that says. I think actually swimming's a great idea.
Hold your breath.
Oh,
great.
then we got to go down through the middle there.
Oh, great. That's where the wool is.
Hold your breath. Push yourself down. Go, 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 go. Look for the opening. Go. 3, 2, 1. Keep pushing. You're almost there. You should drop through. It's there. Grab what's there. You got it?
I got blue wool. I got the blue wool.
Want me to dive down and get some more?
Sure. There's another single chest over there that you could get.
Go for the single chest?
Yeah, go for the single chest.
Alright. 1, 2, 3. Hook!
Since I'm at the monument, I can place down the blue wool. But I'm not going to, because you're not here.
I know. I will die soon.
I'm just going to wait here until you die from drowning. That's a tough one to get the wool at, isn't that?
Yeah.
Dead.
Don't die yet. I'm not there.
Dead.
Dang it. Get it.
Oh, it's just an iron. It's enchanted iron helmet.
I bet it was respiration.
You bet it was underwater breathing?
Yep.
Okay, let's head over to the monument and put the wool down.
That's over. I would like to know if that was respiration, but that'll come in handy later. I bet we have to go back and get that later.
Later, not now. Not now.
But we can't forget about it. If it's there, it's probably important. That and there were.
I said not now.
That and.
Later, not now.
I heard you the first time. Did you hear me?
Sorry.
Try hearing me. That would be cool. Unless they were just thinking you get to the bottom, and if you get that helmet on first and fast, you can survive long enough to get all the wool. I bet that's what it is. But I
We can try that later, I think. That would be good. Okay.
You did a better job. I panicked.
You kept changing your perspective.
Yeah, I kept gripping too hard. Go ahead.
Brup. Brup. American good swimmer.
Blue wool! We got 3 blocks. Yay!
3 wool to save the world.
Awesome.
Oh, that actually rhymes. 3 wool to save the world. That's cool.
3 wool to save them. I bet there's absolutely nothing up there.
Do you think it's another closet with a bunch of apples?
It might be, but I'm kind of curious. I'm gonna go up on the roof here.
You want to bring over to that now?
Let me see what I got on my hand. I need more stuff. Did we leave a...
We're kind of at the 17-minute mark.
We've got a little time then. I'm gonna make a quick crafting a table to leave here. Why? Because I don't have what I need, do I? I don't even have any rock on me. Do you have any iron or anything?
I don't have a lot of wool.
I don't need.
Can
I put the wool away? Can I have your axe for a second? I'll give it back.
We have 13 more wool to get until we save the world. We'll be heroes as soon as we get 13 wool from islands. And not sheep. Not sheep. Not sheep. I really want to find the orange wool. I really want to.
You love orange.
I love orange because it's my color. It's my color. How did you think this adventure went today?
Not too bad, not too bad. You got. Hey, anytime you get some wool, that's a good day.
Oh yeah, we did die. We did drown.
That's all right.
At least we got the wool.
We got the wool. That's the important part. I think. Did I get one? Sounded like it. Yes, I did. There it is.
All the sign said was hold your breath.
Mm-hmm. And broke. Okay, would you like your axe back?
Do you want to keep it or do you want to give it back?
Oh, you can have it. I'll make one when I get a chance.
Okay. Thank you.
Got a few more blocks now.
Shall we go over to that closet?
That's what I'm thinking.
Is that a
try
closet?
from the roof over here.
Or is that an outhouse? Or is that just a ministry?
We shall see. It's a nice little island.
Imagine if it says. Imagine if.
Should we go straight? I'm gonna go try and go over to this island over here, and then we'll hop over there. Okay. Piggy Island.
There is another big square with netherrack.
Huh?
It's on fire. I think that might be safe. And I might want to go too soon. Or later. I don't know. To it, period.
Period.
Ooh, look at that island.
That's neat.
That island's cool. It's just like a giant pillar going down.
Black.
Why are you black?
I'm just kind of aiming out nowhere. So I was
There's some more birch trees.
Kind of
and
look
you
at
can
your
get some
side
more
of the
blocks.
screen. You
You
know,
can get some more blocks. I'll chop down those.
Talk.
Are you listening?
No, because you weren't, and you just kept talking though you asked me a question. You weren't listening to the answer.
I will chop down those trees and give you the blocks.
That'll be very handy. I'm almost there, aren't I? Yay! Almost there. That'll do it.
We are still kings. We haven't lost our kingly outfits yet, I think.
But we can use some more blocks. Good thing there's some trees here. I'm gonna assault the tree and try and get something to replant.
Assault the tree. Oh, there's a chest.
Did you get a hidden chest?
By cutting down that tree, yeah.
Ender pearls.
5 ender pearls.
Sweet.
Holy guac.
We're doing okay. We'll get there before we end.
It's not gonna overkill time.
No, that's not too bad.
I need to chop down the wood.
Is it still? Another one?
That's another one.
Wow, I have a bunch of these. Boom. I think I'll put one here then. Boom.
Okay, the trees are chopped.
Trees are chopped?
Trees are chopped.
Alright, I'm gonna plant them right next to it. Or not. Thought I had another one.
I have 52 birch planks.
Alright, you wanna give them to me or you wanna work your
Give
way
them
over?
to you. That's what I said I would do.
There it is, I just saw it. Boom. Plant. Okay.
Hold the block on.
Where are you?
Hold the block.
Alright, hit me. What you got?
I already gave it to
I
you.
have two in my hand, don't I? Hello, sheepy.
Go
Alright,
over to
here.
the little closet. Oh, yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Hopefully it's not trolly. Oh, there's a chicken on there. Chickens have the peace. Chickens mean peace. Chickens mean
I hope so.
If that's Trolley Island, I'm going to be so...
Set. Where am I trying to go? There.
There. That's where you're going.
Alright, so keep going. I'm going to do the turn and we'll go up.
I think you
Does that look good? No, that's great.
No, that's right.
Is that lapis?
That's not lapis.
I thought I saw blue. It's cold. Cold's not bad, but not as important right at the moment
It's not
as other things.
Lapis isn't really important either.
It will be at some
Unless
point
we
if we
wanted to
want
make
enchanted
some-
stuff.
If we sheared some sheep and then we wanted to dye them.
Yeah. That would work.
There is so signs. On this island, no.
No, there's not.
No, there's not, but just thought of the...
Go. Going around.
Don't want to get rid of the pillar because the pillar's been in the way.
There you go. I'm coming up. What do I see? Oh, uncrouch. Why did I travel to a closet?
Okay, let's mine it.
That's
Another
why.
chest.
Golden apples. I'll leave. Do you have room in your hand for some apples and some golden apples?
No thanks. Oh, yes, I do.
Well, then I will leave them.
Are
for
you sure that this is in the same closet because we
It may have
didn't
been. I had to
save?
redo some stuff. Either way, cool. See if there's anything. Oh, not that one. Sorry. You got to wait just a second.
I just saw the gravel just pop up.
All right. Hello, chickie. Boom. All right, I'm getting out of the way.
Okay, the next island I want to head over to is that nether rack.
All right. Should we do the quick way home?
Yeah, it's quick way home.
All right.
I'm gonna.
Wait for me!
I was going. Okay, I just wanted to do it for fun because I wanted to do it, but apparently I walked off.
You walked off?
I was.
Oops.
I was going to do this. Okay. Skydiving. Dead.
Skydiving and dead. Alright, pop up, come here. What'd you?
See you all later. Bye.
Bye. Ooh.
Meow.
Bye.
Meow. Meow.
Meow.
Meow. Meow. Meow.